Hey guys, this is Konkona Bhadri. Welcome back to my channel. And guess what? I'm going to do another Nykaa and Purplle haul video with you guys. Before wasting any other time, let's get started because I have many products to show you. But before watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and obviously to them who love watching Nykaa and Purplle hauls or any kind of hauls. Then share it with them also and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's roll. I have is a Nykaa sheet mask. This is the Peptides plus Goji Berry for firm and lifted skin, and its price is ₹100. Then I have this Miss Claire Illuminator Makeup Base, and it was gifted on my birthday by Ronit, and it's in the shade number 1 Sunbeam, and its price is ₹395. Then I have few more gifts to show you which I purchased from Nykaa, but actually he paid all this. And the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray, and its price is ₹499. Then I have this Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin Deodorant, and its price is ₹185. Then I have this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, and its price is ₹499. Then I have two Miss Claire lip pencils. One is in the shade coffee brown and another is in the shade rich pink, and both of them cost ₹65 each. Gifts part is done. Then I have Lotus Herbals Basil Tone Skin Toner, and its price is ₹295. Then I have another Lotus Rose Toner, and its price is ₹295 again. Then I have a Jovis Skin Toner in Cucumber, and its price is ₹170. Then I have another Fab India Rose Toner, and its price is ₹290. Then I have a Cara Wet Wipes in neem and tea tree oil, and its price is ₹50. Then I have another lip pencil, and it's in the shade Cadmium Red, and its price is ₹65 again. I have this Dove Hair Fall Rescue Shampoo, and its price is ₹215. Then I have this Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream Moisturizer, and its price is ₹40. Then I have a Yardley London perfume. Actually, this was gifted to me by one of my auntie. This perfume was gifted to me by one of my auntie, and that is over. And I really loved the smell of that perfume, so I purchased it again from Nykaa, and its price is ₹499. So that is all from Nykaa. Let's start the Purplle haul now. So the first thing I have from Purplle is Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and its price is ₹249. Then I have few sheet masks from Good Vibes, the new launches, and let me show you them one by one, and each of them cost ₹99. So the first one is Acai Berry, then we have Tomato, then I have the Manuka Honey, then I have Avocado, then I have Kiwi, then I have Shea Butter, then I have Calendula, then the next is the Bamboo one, then is Lotus, then is olive, then it's blackberry, then it's aloe vera, then is oatmeal, the last one is fig. Then I have a rose water toner from Good Vibes, and its price is rupees 225. Then I have a serum, and it's the Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum from Good Vibes, and its price is rupees 399. Then I have a lip scrub from Good Vibes, and its price is rupees 125. And I have a free gift. This is the Licorice Brightening Body Lotion, and its price is rupees 40. So that's all for the haul and the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. And also share this video with your friends and family, and give this video a big thumbs up. So bye.